Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make AI generated music videos. So if you watch this video, I'm going to teach you a step by step on how to do this. And all we have to do is to launch our Canva application. And from here, we're going to tap here at the three lines. We're going to find this option that is called Magic Studio. From there, we are going to scroll horizontally until they find this option to magic design for a video. You're going to tap on it, try magic design, and then from here we are going to add a picture that we want to make it to a music video, and I'm going to tap on this one, and this one. Then I'm going to describe the kind of video I want. Then I'm going to say a memory edit. I'm gonna tap on OK, and we're going to wait for Canva to generate this video. Then from here we can actually tap on place, and as you can see, it has already even given us a song that is going to match with the type of video that I have. Then I'm gonna tap on play. And as you can see, that's how you can actually make AI-generated music video. And once we are done, we're going to tap on export. And from here, we're going to tap on download or share to our social media accounts, whether it may be TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, or we may download it and it will be saved onto our gallery. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.